Welcome to our home activities adventure. Today I will show you some fun and helpful activities you can do at home. Are you ready?
Vacuuming.
I am vacuuming the living room to keep it clean.
Anna, can I help you with vacuuming?
Sure, Tom. Here, you take the vacuum.
This is fun. I'm vacuuming the floor too.
Let's say it together. I am vacuuming the floor. I am vacuuming the floor. I am vacuuming the floor. Next, let's learn about dusting. Repeat after me. Dusting. Dusting. Dusting.
Dusting.
I am dusting the shelves to remove the dust.
Good job, Lily. Can I try dusting too?
Of course, Anna. Here you go.
Let's say it together. I am dusting the shelves. I am dusting the shelves. I am dusting the shelves. Now, let's learn about washing dishes. Repeat after me. Washing dishes. Washing dishes.
Washing dishes.
I am washing the dishes after lunch.
Tom, do you need any help?
Yes, please, Lily. Can you dry the dishes?
Sure, I am drying the dishes with a towel.
Let's say it together. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. Now, let's learn about making the bed. Repeat after me. Making the bed. Making the bed. Making the bed.
Making the bed.
I am making my bed in the morning.
Sure, Anna. Let's arrange them.
Your bed looks great, Lily. Can I help you with the pillows?
Let's say it together. I am making the bed. I am making the bed. I am making the bed. Now let's learn about cooking. Repeat after me. Cooking. Cooking. Cooking.
I am cooking dinner for my family.
Tom, can I help with cooking?
Sure, Anna. Can you chop the vegetables?
I am chopping the vegetables for dinner.
Let's say it together. I am cooking dinner. I am cooking dinner. I am cooking dinner. Next, let's learn about taking care of pets. Repeat after me. Taking care of pets. Taking care of pets. Taking care of pets.
I am feeding my pet cat.
Mark, can I help you take care of the cat?
Sure, Anna. Can you give the cat some water?
I am giving the cat some water.
Let's say it together. I am taking care of pets. I am taking care of pets. I am taking care of pets.